Welcome back, my beauties. I have another Dollar Tree DIY. I have been inspired this whole season of Valentine's Day, and I decided why not do a neutral Valentine's decor piece, and this is what I came up with. Alright guys, so jumping straight into the tutorial, like I said, picked up this envelope sign from Dollar Tree, and I am going ahead and doing a neutral theme. So I'm going to paint it white, and I'm using this paint from Home Depot that was a sample that I had, and it is a thicker consistency, so 2 coats was enough. And once this was done drying, I will be adding some color to it. So I am going in with this classic caramel multi-surface from Apple Barrel from Walmart, and just distressing that on there. At first I'm just going in with the caramel and then going in with the white, mixing them together and just going back and forth, distressing it, trying to get to the color that I want, that I am envisioning. And so that's all I'm doing here, guys, playing around with it. And for the top, I just left it white, and I actually went in again and added a little bit more white. Optional, you don't have to do it. And once that was done, I got my ruler and I am doing 2 diagonal lines to make it look more like an envelope. And I'm just going in with this marker that's like a brown tone, and I did get these markers from Amazon. If you are interested, I will link them down in the description box. But when I was done creating those lines, I am using these flowers. These flowers are from Michael's, and these are from spring. I did get them on clearance. I got a bunch of flowers on clearance, and these were one of them. And so here I'm just playing around with the placement, seeing how I would like them to be placed. Once I was satisfied, I did take off that thick layer. I left the thin wire. That way I could just stick them in through that little gap. If you want to add hot glue, you can always add hot glue. But in case I do end up repurposing this, I just try to stick them on there. I did add a little bit of hot glue here and there, but not a crazy amount, for the reason being that if I do repurpose this, at least it won't be as bad to clean off. But I'm just going ahead and placing the flowers in the envelope to my liking and fluffing them out. And that was it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It was super easy and super elegant and simple, as you can see here. It can even be used as all-around decor for your home. And once again, thank you for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That way y'all can stay up to date when I do upload. And with that being said, guys, until next time.